Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are driving out of downtown Kingston. We are on South Camp Road heading towards Camp Road. So if we turn left here, we'd go on to East Queen Street. Turn right, we turn left, we take East Queen Street to Parade. Turn right, we take East Queen Street towards Central Kingston. But we're going to go straight and stay on South Camp Road. Now on the left it used to be the Palace Movie Cinema, but that building is closed. Been closed for many years, but it's a very large structure, prime real estate. Straight ahead to the right where you see that purple stripe building, that's a central post office for Jamaica. So that's where all the mail coming into the country goes and gets sorted, and all the mail going out of the country. And of course, you see that motorbike literally running the red light. It's something that happens every day in Jamaica. Alright, so we're going straight and we're staying on South Camp Road and heading towards Camp Road. So you can see just how big this facility is on the left, and that used to be the Palace Movie Theater. This is the central post office that we were talking about on the right. Now, a lot of persons mix up South Camp Road with Camp Road, but it's actually two different roads. Camp Road is the one where the JDF military base is. Up Park Camp is located on Camp Road. And then Camp Road turns into South Camp Road. And we are currently on South Camp Road and we're going up to Camp Road. So if we turn left here now, we go on North Street. And North Street will take you into downtown Kingston. But North Street is very popular because two very prestigious high schools are on North Street. You have St. George's College and Kingston College. Also, straight ahead where you see those lights, that's Sabina Park. And that's probably the most popular location on South Camp Road. The most popular location on Camp Road is definitely the JDF base up Park Camp. There you can see another motorbike running the red light. And to make matters worse, he's on his phone. So he's not only running the red light, he's distracted while talking on the phone. And you wonder why. Look at that. Wow. He turned right. He saw the car with their indicator to turn right, and he still turned in front of the car. That's why you have so many accidents in Jamaica. And make matters worse, he's not even wearing a helmet. Alright, so on the left now is Sabina Park. And that's a cricket grounds where you play cricket. Probably the largest and most popular cricket grounds in Jamaica. On the left now we have a few car dealerships. You have the Suzuki dealership. You also have the Benz dealership coming up on the left. Alright, this is where South Camp Road turns into Camp Road now. So as we go across the light, we're going on to Camp Road. And if we turn right here, we go on to Deanery Road. And Deanery Road will take us back to the road by the stadium. So coming up on the right now, well, on the right where you see the barbed wire fence, that's the gun court. It's a prison, or yeah, basically. Now on the right where you see the fence with the grill work, the black metal fence, that's Up Park Camp. And this is the new entrance to the base, and it's called the, what is this gate called again? It's very popular. I think it's the Cannonball Gate. And we have videos up actually touring the JDF facility, actually driving through Up Park Camp, and we have a lot of videos up about the Cannonball Gate, the new gate that was recently built, so you can check out those videos on the channel. And coming up now on the right is the old gate. This was the original entrance to the base, but the base has gotten so big that this gate wasn't adequate, because you see how close it is to the road, and it was causing traffic problems. So that's why they built the new gate. So if we go straight, we would go into the crossroads area, but we're turning right and going on to Tom Redcombe Road and heading up to the Ligonier area.